Hello everyone, my name is Eleonora and then I've been working in hospitality for 5 years. So today I'm going to show you my favorite Spirits of Anarchy product, which is the Djin of Night. Djin of Night is a Persian inspired gin infused with mulberry and then with the Persian black lemon. So today we're going to make a cocktail out of it, which is called Kallima. So what we're going to need is our shaker. We're gonna add some ice in our glass just to cool it down. And then we're going to mix it a bit. Then we're going to remove the old ice. So in the small tin, we're gonna add 40 ml of our Djin of Night, and then we're gonna add 35 ml of the Seedlip Spice 42, and then to bring more color, like a very bright purple color, we're gonna add 20 ml of the Butterfly Pea, and then our sour part is gonna be the lemon juice, which is gonna be 15 ml. And then 15 ml of Elderflower Cordial and 15 ml of the Jasmine Syrup. That we're going to shake it together for a few seconds. Then we're gonna add some fresh ice in our glass. And then we're going to strain our cocktail. We're going to top up some extra cubed ice. We're going to give it a mix. And at the end, we're going to garnish it with a slice of dehydrated grapefruit. And that's our cocktail Kallima. If you want to know more about our specs, then follow us on spiritsofanarchy.com. Thank you very much.